Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Kochava for mobile attribution and analytics, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Kochava for mobile attribution and analytics, first, ensure you have a Kochava account. If you don't have one, visit the Kochava website and sign up for a new account. Once logged into your account, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Settings tab located in the upper right corner. In the Settings menu, locate and select App Settings. Here, you can add a new app by clicking the Add App button. Enter your app's name and platform information. After entering the details, select Create App. Once your app is created, you will be taken to the app-specific settings page. Copy the Kochava app ID as you will need it for integration. Next, integrate Kochava SDK into your mobile app. For iOS, follow the instructions found in the iOS integration guide on the Kochava website. For Android, refer to the Android integration guide provided by Kochava. Make sure to include the necessary permissions and configurations as outlined in the integration guide. Once the SDK is integrated, run a test build for your app. After building your app, navigate back to your Kochava dashboard. In the app settings, scroll to the Attribution section. Enable the attribution features you need for your app. You can configure specific trackers and set up links for ad campaigns. Next, go to the Analytics section within the dashboard. Here, you can set up custom events and user properties to track specific actions. Make sure to save any changes you make during this process. Now, go to your advertising platforms and ensure your traffic sources are linked to your Kochava account. Implement tracking links provided by Kochava in your marketing campaigns. After your campaigns go live, monitor the traffic and performance data through your Kochava dashboard. You are now fully set up to utilize Kochava for mobile attribution and analytics. Review the analytics data regularly to optimize your marketing efforts. For additional features and insights, explore the advanced settings and integrations offered by Kochava. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.